Oh, my knees. How's it going, gangy? Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do a tornado kick inside the house. Gotta move this coffee table out of the way first. My mom's gonna kill me if she knows I'm doing flips in the house again.
Before you start learning the tornado kick, make sure you have the following.
Limbs.
Once you've made sure you have limbs, you are now ready to proceed to step 1.
Roundhouse kick.
In order to perform the roundhouse kick, you're going to start in a fighting stance with your right foot back, your hands up, and a powerful yell. From there, you're going to pick your right knee up and extend your leg, kicking sideways. Make sure to turn your hips so that your leg is parallel to the ground before kicking. It will also help if you turn your back foot so that your heel is facing your target. At this point, all that's left to do is clench your cheeks and extend that leg.
Step 2!
For step 2, we're going to practice the spin step for the tornado kick.
Let's spin, baby.
Just like in step 1, you'll start in a fighting stance with your right foot back and your hands in front of you. Then, keeping your eyes forward the entire time, you're going to step forward with your right foot and then turn, pivoting on your feet to respot your target. Make sure to keep your eyes on your target so that you don't lose your balance and you're not stiff in the ground the entire time.
Step 3!
For step 3, we're going to take what you learned in step 1 and turn it into a jump roundhouse kick by picking up that left leg and then switching into your roundhouse kick position. From there, all that's left to do is to take the spin step you learned in step 2, put it together with step 3, boom, they're married, boom, they have kids, boom, you just delivered a tornado kick.